Hello everyone. Today we are going to code for the translator using Python programming language. So let's start. Step 1. Open Jupyter Notebook. Create new file in Jupyter Notebook. Now install Translate library by using PowerShell, or you can just install it by using Jupyter Notebook. Let's start coding, or you can get the Github link in my description box. You can give language which you want over here. Enter the text over here which you want to convert. Now just run the code by pressing Shift key and Enter key. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for further updates.